imuthi punch athi base udlale ngayo yazi yena yenzeni makabuyi athi kanje athi athi base hayi imlanje punch athi nyamzama nje yena imuthi punch
hayi bafethu no khona abantu abemele bame humble. Some people need to be humble. Angeke. Let me start the video by saying sanibonani dumelang absheni igama usabelo mfana kamdluli. And people, please don't forget, subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below all the shenanigans bafethu ngiyacela. Support your boy. Niyazi bafethu, we are only on 124 sasebancane, but we are going as we go. But speaking of going, let's talk about George Muklo. George Muklo, Khanyiso Mayo, bavuma yini jwayela abantu nina. So namachita lawa i3, they decided to do an Instagram post. They decided to contact Pirates' #1 enemy at the moment. #1 enemy niyamazi ubani, bambiza ngoLord Mukoko. Lord Mukoko, indoda yaseKongo. Lord Mukoko, they are praising a foreigner for actually playing shit football, for actually playing umsangano webhola. Katadlala ibhola lasebhuqwini yamjita lo. Foul after foul, antics after antics. He got my man a red card. Namathonto wakhe. Tapiza yenza kanje yenza ubuso. All that shit. And it got on every Orlando Pirates skin. Every Orlando Pirates fan skin. Honke. We got triggered, bafethu. Okay, I mean, I wasn't triggered. But you know what triggered me? That Instagram video call. George Muklo, bavuma, Khanyiso Mayo. All of these niggas, all of these 3 niggas. Do you want to know what in interview common ngalabantu abayi3 lava? Okay, one of them uyinkomo nje. Inkomo lo muntu lo baba. Inkomo. Ufuna ukukora ama offside goals and uyawakora ama offside goals lo muntu lo perfectly. Khanyiso Mayo, you are a fraud, my friend. What are you doing in that video? Yabona ngoba ungekho le video le ngabe indaba yakhe ayikho. Ngaba ngikhuluma ngawo manje. Price bavuma. Ongithi rice, speco rice bavuma. Shaped like a rice, but plays as a goalkeeper. Nah. Nawe, you are a fraud. Fraud number 2. The biggest frauds of goalkeepers. You bavuma, you. Then you wanna do that Instagram video. Oh, nishwayela abantu nina. Ubulala na bench. Bench, 3rd choice goalkeeper. You are a 3rd choice goalkeeper egu Kaizer Chiefs. You've got the nerve. You've got, be humble. But be humble. Kendrick unchelile bafethu. Bitch, be humble. Sit down. Into yenzayo lapho, you are sitting down on the bench wena. 3rd choice goalkeeper. Ufistos is a 2nd choice. Ufistos is 2nd choice. When you are a 3rd choice, you can't even smell the starting lineup. You can't even go to the starting lineup because you are a 3rd choice. From being 1st choice 2 years ago to being 3rd choice, how the mighty have fallen. How the mighty have fallen. George Muklo. George Muklo. What have you ever done in your footballing career? In terms of, have you done something that people were saying, wow, Yeah, that is a ball I play earlier. George Clooney. George Clooney. Yeah, George Clooney. Yeah, awukho muhle njengo George Clooney, but George. Yeah, George Looney Tunes. Bafethu yasajwayelwa la. George Muklu, what have you done? Let me tell you what you've done, Bafethu. What have you done since joining Kaizer Chiefs from Iswalus? Injury prone. Into yaziyo nje ukutayilisha egroundini e-center circle. What have you done? Wena George Muklu. Into yaziyo nje Instagram, social media. You don't even touch the field. Upraise abantu abayodlala i-CAF Champions League. Just because we are the enemy, you decided to call Mukoko. Isijwala ngabe siyayiposta. Then you do lento kataziyenza. Isijwala ngabe labantu laba bafethu. Basijwala ngabe. Let's cook them. Wena George Muklo, you've been injury prone since you've been at Kaizer Chiefs. You've been fucking injury prone. You've never done anything in your career as a Kaizer Chiefs player. The only good thing you've done right now is that Instagram post. You are getting followers, you are getting likes. That's the only achievement you'll get in your life. Instagram, not football-wise. Yeah, you win in the Nedbank Cup. But what did you do? Wins in. Bongeke pension. Aren't you the same guy who likes to do video, utanza, all those sort of things? You even did the walk. You even did the walk. Fucking hell. That's joy all I want to love. Kaizer Chiefs players mocking Orlando Pirates. Are you mad? If we fan, I'm a fans. Anginandaba now, bafethu. I'm a fans. Anginandaba now, mina. I don't care, I'm a fans. There's banter vele. That's our job as fans. Your job is to score goals, prevent goals, and win trophies for iklub yakho. Not doing Instagram post. Fonela bo Mukoko. Akakwazi na lo Mukoko wakhona. Umaziyo yena akakwazi. How fucked up is that? You are a groupie. All of you three, no i-train ngama groupie nonke. Nifolela umchita ni-3. Spice Girls. 3MP. 3-man band. We the 3-man band. Nisijwayela kabi nina. Suka. Ubani uJinda Mahal kule group yenu ni-3. Ubani uJinda Mahal. Ubani uHeath Slater. Ubani uDrew McIntyre when he was shit. Nisijwayela kabi nina. Nisijwayela kabi. Fans, I can take it. From players. Banter from players. One thing I'll say, Kaizer Chiefs are in the Confederations Cup. You better win it. You better fucking win it. Kaizer Chiefs. Because guess what? The ghost will come back to haunt you. If you don't understand that phrase, the ghost will come and haunt you. Wena George Muklo, Bavuma, Mayo. Okay, I'm done. 8 minutes in, I'm done with the cooking. Please, can other content creators react to their video? Cook the ish out of these 3 band boys. And cook them. And cook. Malaika. Imalaika. Lava vai trebas joyela. I had to do that. I'm sorry. I had to go on a rant. I don't care. But I ain't quite video. Anyway, guys, I'm out. Don't forget, subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below, and I'm out. See you in the weekend, Bafethu. Mamelodi Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates. We will be there.